Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long-term chart of SGOCO Group, SGOCO. Now, the chart looks distorted a bit because of the swings, and you will see this candlestick shadows, which means the stock went up but it unable to hold or sustain at a position and falls down. But there is a trend in the long term, and that's what we are going to discuss. So we are going to use line chart as well as the candlestick chart, because line chart will give you a sense of the movement which is in absolute terms. So because it is only covering the close price if you are using line chart, so we are going to use line chart, but we are going to use or apply candlestick as well. The levels we are going to consider for both. Now as you can see here, you will see what you can see here is there is a momentum which is, or trading bounce back, whatever you may uh, call it. So it is on the upside. Okay, it is on the upside, and there are certain levels which is very much visible. Okay, so let's discuss all of that actually. Here we have one more, and this, and there is another one which is left. Okay, so you can see most of the data is actually get covered, and the levels are well positioned. So the first thing here will be this one, 1.38. Now you may consider it as your stop loss or your final support, because anyhow the difference between 1.38 and 2.6 is huge. Now if the stock, let's say, falls from 2.68 to 1.38, then it's a 46% fall, so it's actually a big one. So that's why you can consider this as your last support. Now on the upside you have several levels. You will have your first target at $3, then you have a 4.22. Now if these two levels get crossed, then we have our next target, which can extend up to $7, or it is not actually $7, but it is a range in between these two levels. Okay, is a range. After 4.2 you have a range which is in between 6.36 and $7. If $7 get crossed, then you have 9.8. After 9.8 you have 12.87. But the larger trend is telling us that it can extend up to 16.5. So you have a big trend in front of you, but as I told you, these are like set of targets. So first on the downside you have 1.38, on the upside you have first set, which includes 3.02 and 4.22. After it sustain above 4.22 or 4.3, 4.4, then you have two more sets which will be in between 6.36 and 7. Once the stock sustain above 7, 7.1, 7.2, then we will go for 9, afterwards 12, 12.8 and $16 simultaneously, and this is for a long term trend, so this will take couple of months. But yes, if the kind of chart we have a big swings. So you can see the stock has been consolidating for the last 3 years, and there is a breakout which has happened, and obviously uh, the swing may go for next couple of weeks or months, but be mindful of the levels, be mindful of the support and resistance, both the levels, and trail your stop losses. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.